Hello, my students. Today you need your notebook and the reader book, okay? The reader book. Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Today is Wednesday, 9th September 2020. Topic Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Performance read page 4 to 7. Okay, start to read. Please open your book, your reader book. Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, an Arabian tale. Look here. This story takes place in Persia a long time ago. It's about two brothers, Qasim and Alibaba. Qasim is a rich man, but Alibaba is a good cutter. He has to work very hard to take care of his wife and 3 children. He's Alibaba, she's his wife, and they have 3 children. Okay? She's the wife. Alibaba. There isn't any food. What are we going to eat? Yes, don't have nothing to eat. There isn't any food. They don't have bread or fruit or rice, nothing. Alibaba, don't worry. I'm going to the forest to cut some more wood. We are going to sell it at the market. Okay? He said, don't worry. Be quiet. I am going to the forest. Remember forest? You have trees and animals and river to cut. Para cortar alguna madera. Go to the forest to cut some more wood. And we are going to sell, vamos a venderla at the market. Okay, continue. Look, this is the forest, okay? This is the forest. Alibaba takes his axe. Look, this is take, toma, take, and 2 big bags. Okay, not here, 2 bags, and goes to the forest. Look, the forest. As he's cutting wood, he sees a cloud of dust far away. It's moving closer. Okay, mira, look. He's cutting, él corta, mientras que él estaba cortando los árboles, cut. He sees, él ve a cloud, ve una nube, look that, cloud of dust, no una nube aquí, sino de dust, de polvo. And dust far away, look, it's moving closer, and look that. Alibaba, what's that cloud? Sí, se pregunta. What? ¿Qué es esa nube? Oh, it isn't a cloud. It is not a cloud. It's a man on horses. On horses, yes, animals, on the animal men. I must hide. Me tengo que esconder. Piensa él. Okay, continue. Look that, ¿sí ves? Se esconde. Ali climbs a tree, look in the tree, and immediately after, 40 men appear. 40 men appear. They are riding horses, yes, on the horse, cabalgando, and carrying bags, ¿saben? Cargando bags, bolsas, maletas, bolsas. The bags are full of treasures. Look that, estaban llenos de tesoros. Alibaba, I hope, tengo la esperanza, I hope they don't see me. What are they doing here? Continue. Oh, look that. Look, the 40 men. And this is a horses. A men, one man, 40 men riding horses, cabalgando, okay? The captain of the thief, ladrones, the captain, look that, now stands in front of a big rock. Look, a big rock. And he's in front of. He raises his arms, levanta his arms, and says the some words. Captain, open sesame. The rock suddenly opens. There is a cave behind it. Okay, a cave. Open the door, no, open the rock, and a cave, hay una cueva behind it, detrás de esto. The thief takes their bags into the cave. Okay, and now pay attention to me. If you have your book, you please answer this activity. Look and say, point 2, look and choose A or B. You choose. What is it? Where is it? It's a forest, it's a tree, it's a rock, it's a cave, it's rich or poor. Choose. And you, please complete this with number 1. You write number 1 is A here, A. And you continue. And the other, Kasim is, look, you answer, who is he? It's a poor woodcutter, it's a thief, it's a rich man. Alibaba is going to the forest to find the treasure, to cut some gold, to climb a tree. You choose the correct. In the forest, Alibaba sees a cloud of dust, 40 men on horses, his 3 children. Okay. And here, oh, I couldn't. And I'm so sorry here. Pay attention, I done that. Okay, very good. When the captain of the thief say the magic words, the thief going into the cave, the rock opens and the cave appear. The thief ride their horses. Yes, okay, my student, this is the activity of today, for today. Please add solution this activity in your reader book. If you don't have the reader book, don't worry, you can solution that in your notebook. You back here. Oh, sorry. put here, lo podemos poner aquí, here, and you stop the video here, in this part. Wool cutter and thief, aquí es wool cutter, W, and thief, T-H, okay, T-H-I-E-F, thief. And you please solution in your notebook. Don't worry, on in your book. This is the activity. Look at that. You can stop the video, okay, and copy that here. Okay, this is the activity for today. And then we continue in the other video, we continue with the story. Bye. See you.